What a beauty, just in, direct from the last owner, customer we've dealt with since the mid-80s. This is absolutely fabulous, fabulous example with just 15,400 miles. Audi Q5 2-litre TDI S-Line. It's the 40, which is basically the 204 brake horsepower. Daytona grey metallic with around £1,300 worth of factory-fitted options. It is absolutely stunning. Of course, great spec cars on these. The S-Line model. Quattro, of course, four-wheel drive. 2023 on a 23 plate with full service history. It is beautiful all the way around. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how nice this car is. Of course, you've got the electric tailgate. Massive boot on these. That's the roof rails. It comes with the roof rails, brand new, never been used, so they're with the vehicle. Of course, you've got the split folding rear seat through that facility. Rear luggage cover. Very straightforward on that. Lovely and clean, not been abused. Additional storage just under there. All the toolkit there complete. Locking wheel bolt. All the loading area absolutely perfect. No damage, no marks, no scratches, no dings. Of course, you've got rear parking sensors. This one also has a reverse camera. Nice contrast there with the chrome aluminium effect. Chrome roof rails, rear privacy glass. All the bodywork absolutely perfect. It is absolutely beautiful, beautiful. Can't emphasize how nice the car is. All the wheels, it's got the upgraded alloy wheels, 19-inch wheels, all in absolutely perfect, undamaged condition. And we've just fitted a set of brand new Michelin tyres all round. So matching tyres all round, Michelins, all brand new. All down the sides. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. All absolutely stunning. Close up on the new side front wheel. So as you can see, all unmarked. All across the front. Again, front parking sensors. You've actually got the aluminium trim, just gives it nice contrast. Headlight power washers. Of course, LED headlights all across the front. Lovely and clean. If there's any stone chips there, I've certainly not spotted anything, but there might be the odd tiny stone chip, I'm sure of it, just due to the age and the mileage. But no damage at all across all the lower parts. And this is why we do the videos, to show you full transparency, nothing to hide. So it gives you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair, knowing it is almost perfect. The driver's wheel, again, all unmarked, all down the sides. The final wheel and tyre, all unmarked. And of course, as I mentioned, new tyres, Michelins all round. All the door trims, undamaged, nice Alcantara trim there. Plenty of space in there, leg room. Again, got leather and Alcantara trim. All the headlining, all undamaged, done perfect. And there, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. Centre armrest. Driver's door trim, again, all undamaged. All the entry points. Various seat adjustments there. Of course, the sport seat, you can adjust the bottom part of it there. Nicely S-line embossed in there. $15,448. That's the mileage. That's all it's done. $15,448. All the trims, everything absolutely perfect, no damage. Great sound system. Nice big layout, all touch screen, all very easy. Media, telephone, scroll across, navigation, zoom in. Phone apps, all the car information in there. Drive select, dynamic, auto, comfort. Get exactly how you want it. Settings, general settings there, maintenance, display, users, Audi virtual cockpit. Configure it how you want it. Changes on there. Classic, dynamic. So you can set it to exactly how you want it, whatever you want to see on there. All nice and easy to scroll through on that. Reverse camera on there as well. Just makes parking a little bit easier, of course. Green on there, dual zone climate control. Of course, got the heated seats on this one as well. Heated seats on there. Again, the drive select button on there. USB input. Of course, straightforward gear change on that. You can change it like a manual if you so wish on a sports mode on there. Paddle shift gear change on there. So again, you can change the view on the dashboard on there. Show the radio, show the view. Also got the map showing in there. Bigger version of the map. Again, just get it exactly how you want it. Cruise control and speed limiter on there. Bluetooth phone. Various menus as I mentioned just on there. Get it how you want it. Folding mirrors. What an amazing car in absolutely outstanding condition. 15,000 miles. Of course, we've got 2 sets of keys. We've got a complete book pack. Full HPR checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal. It is very quick and easy to do that off the website. Just literally put in the deposit you want to put, the term, and it calculates it so quick within seconds. Apply direct off the website with our finance companies. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 off the website. If you fancy it 2 o'clock in the morning, hit that reserve button so that nobody else beats you to it. And remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. We make it simple, easy, hassle-free to buy a car from us. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So you can click and reserve, we'll collect from our showrooms. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details how that operates. Additional costs do apply to get it delivered to your doorstep, but you can have it delivered to your doorstep. Simple, easy as that. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Established since 1997, that's 28 years. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process, an enjoyable process. We're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.